Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excellent Training, where we will learn various amazing Excel skills and techniques that will enable us to finish on-hand jobs in our daily routine office work using a Microsoft Excel worksheet in just a few clicks. So without wasting time, let's start. Our today's topic is subtotal formula for data filter in an Excel datasheet. We all have noticed that the totals of a range while applying data filter never changes with the filter draws in that data. But today after watching this video, we will be able to make these AND totals integrated with the filtered data. Right now, in front of us, we can see a sample sales data of an assumed company for the period of January till May 2023. In the last row of the data, we have AND totals calculated by the traditional sum formula. Here we can see the first record till the last record. Now we will apply filter on sales type column. Here in this data we have different columns, different sort of information by which we can filter this data. So we will choose sales type, where we have three type of sales: bulk, internal, retail. So I'm going to choose this bulk. Before selecting this filter, we will see the total number of records are 100 units here. If we apply the filter, then see the totals are not changing. It is still 100 units. So what we have to do, we have to change this formula from sum to subtotal. So we will type equals to subtotal, open bracket, function number 9 we have to use for sum, comma, and we have to select the range of our data, which is from here till the top, and then enter. Now this total formula has been changed to the subtotal, and it will be a dynamic formula for a data filter range. Like we can see now, we can apply the filter on sales type. Again, we will see the bulk sales, and you can see the total is changing to 50. Before it was 100 units. Similarly, we have to copy this formula and paste it on the other totals as special and formulas only. So this will not disturb the existing formatting of the cells. Now you can see whenever we change or select the data as filtered for like internal and retail, so the data will give us totals according to the filtered rows. And if we remove the filter, it will become again 100 units, and the sales revenue and cost sales, gross profit, everything changes according to the data filter. Hope you find this video informative and useful. Please share it with your friends and give us your valuable comments in comment section. See you in next amazing video. Until then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.